Furthermore, the NSD's function has shifted from being the only custodian of nominee accounts at ISRU's registrars to a more limited position under the recent revamping of Russia's custody system has presented additional hurdles for Western investors looking to manage or sell their Russian holdings. Under the new structure, these assets are subject to stringent regulations, including necessary Russian government clearances for all transactions. This scenario has effectively locked many Western assets within Russia's financial system, notwithstanding the NSD's technical departure from the custody chain. On December 16, 2024, the European Union implemented its 15th sanctions package against Russia, escalating the ongoing economic confrontation. The new provisions provide complete protections for European corporations, handle Russian legal risks and fines, and create new derogations for central securities depositories to release frozen cash balances. Notably, the EU has extended divestment license deadlines until December 31, 2025, giving corporations more time to organize their exits. The financial ramifications of this conflict are significant, as Russia controls around $288 billion in Western assets via its National Settlement Depository. In contrast, the G7 and its allies have frozen around $300 billion in Russian government assets, with European jurisdiction controlling $220 billion of these assets. In reaction to Western sanctions, Russia has increased its punitive measures against Western corporations. Recent moves include placing German company Bosch and Italian firm Ariston under temporary external administration by Gazprom. Russia continues to impose stringent exit requirements on Western firms, demanding a 50% required discount on asset sales, a 15% exit tax, and special government commission approval for all business withdrawals. The December 2024 EU package includes further safeguards, such as a ban on enforcing Russian court orders that impose unwarranted economic sanctions on EU operators. The package also creates new methods for releasing certain frozen assets held by EU depositories and extends deadlines for European corporations to conduct orderly market departures. In light of these developments, the EU has issued specific warnings to operators, recommending them to consider closing their Russian operations due to the increasing dangers involved with doing business in Russia. On December 16, 2024, the EU adopted its 15th sanctions package, which includes comprehensive protection measures that will have a substantial impact on European enterprises working in Russia. Legally, these corporations now have stronger protections against Russian legal proceedings, such as anti-suit injunctions and unjust court verdicts. Companies can now seek compensation in member state courts for losses incurred as a result of Russian legal actions, as well as recoup damages from Russian parties that gain from asset expropriation. In terms of asset management, the package improves control mechanisms for frozen assets as well as exit strategies. Central securities depositories now have additional options for releasing some frozen cash balances, and divestiture license deadlines have been extended until December 31, 2025. This extension enables corporations to conduct more orderly market exits, with exceptional derogations provided on an individual basis to promote smoother withdrawals from Russian operations. The package's operational measures include transaction prohibitions for Russian corporations that violate arbitration agreements with EU counterparts.